Alright guys, I'm going to do a video today just showing you how you connect a Samsung washing machine to Wi-Fi, because I'm having to set everything up again, because according to BT, Wi-Fi is not guaranteed unless you go onto a package with an internet provider that is guaranteed Wi-Fi, which you have to pay extra for. So I've threatened to tell BT a couple of days to do one, basically. So they upgraded me to their total broadband package free of charge. But I had to recontract my broadband for another 2 years. But they gave it me free of charge, basically. So I'm not having to pay them anything extra. So they gave me their new second generation hub free of charge, and they gave me their new Wi-Fi discs free of charge as well. So that's the Wi-Fi disc, and the hub's in my living room. So I'll go ahead now and just show you how you connect the washing machine up. So what you do is you just go into Smart Things, right? And so that is the Smart Things app there, with the five circles around the one in the middle. You just tap that, and then you just so you just tap that, and then if I just go into there, if we just turn on Bluetooth, right? And then if we just go into Smart Things, and then if you just tap these three lines here in the top left hand corner, and then if you just click on Devices, and then it will bring up a list of all your devices, and then if you just tap these three lines here in the top right hand corner, and then if you tap delete, and then it will bring up a list of all your devices here. So you just scroll through the list of your devices until you find your washing machine, and then you just tap delete, tap the red circle there with the line through the middle, and then it will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the item, and then you just delete it. I've already deleted the washing machine, and then when you tap the confirm that you delete it, just confirm yes you want to delete it, blah blah blah, and then you just tap done, and then you just tap done here in the top right hand corner, right? Once you've deleted it and everything, you just tap this plus symbol, right? And then to add the washing machine again, just go through the list, and just select washing machine, select Samsung, tap on washing machine, and then it will say let's get started with your washing machine, and then if you just tap start, and then it will ask you to confirm where the washing machine is located. So obviously it's in the home, and then it's in the kitchen. You just tap here to select where: kitchen, cellar, bedroom, blah blah blah, wherever the washing machine's created, or you can add a new room, like in a utility room, or blah blah blah, wherever you've got it located, right? And then if you just tap next, right, and then it will ask you to turn the washing machine on. Sorry, it will ask you to turn the washing machine on. Right, and then if you just press the smart control button for 3 seconds until AP appears on the display, and then when AP appears on the display, you just tap next. So you tap next, right, and then it will say go to your Wi-Fi settings and enter the 111 5 times, 222 5 times. So if I go to my Wi-Fi settings, so if I go to Wi-Fi settings, and then you'll see there Samsung washer. So I'll just select that one and just wait for it to connect. You see that it's connected. So then I'll just go back to SmartThings, and then I'll just have to wait for it to connect. And then you'll see that it's because I've already connected. You see it says someone else has already registered this device. To control this device in SmartThings, reset the device and add it again. So if we tap reset, and then it says on your washing machine, press smart control button. Don't press and hold. I just need to press it and release it. Right, so you can see the smart control button. Right, so I just press it and release the button, and then you can see it says account reset complete. You'll be taken to the next step to confirm connection to the device. So if we just tap OK, and then it says processing. All right, and now I need to enter my Wi-Fi password. Right, so if you just, I'll just put you down while I do that. And then I'm just going to tap show password just to double check it, just to make sure it's correct. Right, so I've done that. Right, so if we just tap the next button, and you see it says processing, and then it says Wi-Fi information is being sent, and it says your washing machine is now being registered to your Samsung account. And then I can see now it says success. It's now been done, so I'm just going to give it a name now. So you can see I've called it Samsung Add Wash. As you can see, I've just called it Samsung Add Wash washing machine. Right, so if I just tap done, and then you can see it's processing, and it's completed, and there you can see it's done. Right, so now if I go to my freezer, hi Bixby, open SmartThings. It should be in here, but it may take a couple of minutes or so to open. Sorry, it may take a couple of minutes to update. Alright, so we'll see. Yeah, there you go. Right, so that's how you add the washing machine to SmartThings. Right, so I hope you found this video interesting, and I'll do another one in a minute, just showing you how you connect a Siemens dishwasher to the internet. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.